Hello everyone. Duduzane Zuma, the son of former President Jacob Zuma, had a great interview with Penuel the Black Pen on the panel show. They really had interesting discussions about the economy of this country and where is South Africa heading. Duduzane Zuma is also campaigning for presidency next year. He also opened up about his family and said marriage is good even though there's ups and downs, but they're doing okay with his wife. Panel asked him about his twin sister Duduzane Sompula Zuma and how he feels about her being on social media and getting people mad at times. You know Duduzile, she likes bashing politicians on her social media platform. She's always dragging the current president Cyril Ramaphosa. Duduzane responded and said that from his perspective to anybody, including his sister, if you are going to put something on social media, be able to stand for that message that you sent on the public. And people tend to get away of saying things online and they are not held accountable. If you can't back up your statement, given a platform to speak about it, then you shouldn't tweet about it. And people should stop sending negativity out there. Duduzane has really matured. Hey, he's all about bringing peace and harmony in this country, and he's applying that into politics. He really wants change. He wants people, specifically black community, to stop blaming other people and stop being consumers all the time. He wants the black community to start producing goods and services so that we can uplift this economy that is trembling. Please go and watch that interview. You will learn a lot from it. Now here's the question. Would you vote for Duduzane Zuma next year? Please let me know on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.